Hi guys, it's pretty late at night and I'm making this video for you guys. I want to tell you about this thing called Spout with Spout. You may have heard of it, you may have not. At one point I must have heard about it because I had an account and don't recall it, but I created an account. I'm in my spam and I see this email and I'm like, what is this? What's this about? Because it looks, you can kind of tell when something looks like it's for real. You're not called candidate or you're not called participant or something. They called me by my name. So I was like, okay, let me just check it out, see what it was. A good thing I did. It was Spout. And they had a project where they wanted me to record phrases and words and sounds, uh, saying things with backgrounds, vocal sounds and stuff, and sometimes quiet, sometimes not, for up to an hour. And it was a project that was a one-time project. It was for $15 for that hour, but there was also a $10 bonus for completing it. And I did. I actually almost didn't because I hadn't never done it before, and I kind of got confused and I was like, like agitated. So I almost quit, and I'm glad I didn't. I'm so glad that I didn't. I pushed through and I finished it. I got paid the $15 and I think 18 cents plus the $10 um, bonus that they had. Now, thing is, when I signed up for this, and I only noticed because I just went in and checked it out, and I vaguely remember something about it, but it wasn't project related. What I found and what I remembered was this is a site. It is AI training AI. So, for instance, you call and you have a natural conversation with someone, and it's recorded. I think they may give you a subject or what have you. I haven't been able to do it yet, so I don't know. But and you get paid for that. And AI, you're training AI. A lot of AI training is you can, if you're interested in that kind of stuff, you can get a lot of gigs and project work and get paid sometimes very, very well for it. I'm going to give you a site I use in another video that I'm paid very well for doing that. But back to Spout. Um, I gave it a try. I got paid. You get paid every Friday through a processor called Dots, I believe it is, which is something else that I have an account in and didn't remember it. So I went in when I went to try to log in, try to create an account. It was like, you're already registered. So then I was like, okay, I don't know my password. So I reset my password and I logged in. And I'm like, oh, wait a minute, I should know them, but I didn't. But yeah, a lot of other places I had worked were paid through dots and I had no idea. So yeah, in a way, you just never know. So I don't know if it's changed name or something, but I had worked some more projects from other places and I was paid through dots. I had a whole, I mean, just listed of payments, and I was like, wow, I made that much money. But okay, cool. But anyway, you guys look at this, give it a try, go ahead on and sign up. And just from time to time, um, they, like I said, they sent me an email. So, if you go in the app, it's not an app. They don't have an app, at least not now. If you go into the website on the dashboard and there's a project, there, I guess you do that. But I think they email you, or maybe not. No, because as a matter of fact, they said they had the project on the dashboard. I didn't know, I forgot about it, like I said. And they were telling me you were invited to this project, but you never got started. That's because I didn't go into the dashboard because like who are you guys? Who are y'all? But anyway, I'm glad I met them, and I think you guys will be glad too. So give it a try. I don't know if it's this may be available in outside the U.S., but you can always try it. And I said it because you're training AI, and whenever they're training AI, they want there's clients all over the place. It's oftentimes worldwide, and they want a variety of accents and things. So this is something that actually may be available worldwide. If not, I apologize up front, but I think because it's AI training related, uh, that you might be able to do that. So go ahead, you guys, and get signed up and check it out. As I always say, every little bit counts. And happy money making.